Hey everyone, my name is Masood. So first of all, thank you for your all kind of support. Thank you so much for your love, and thank you so much for being a part of my journey. In this video, I'm going to show you all the process of my new sketchbook drawing and also share some drawing tips and tricks. So please watch the entire video, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. So I have already drawn this outline here. I saw this picture a long time ago and I felt like I should capture it on my sketchbook. So now I'm ready to capture it on my sketchbook. So I typically begin my shading process with a 2B pencil. This pencil provides a good balance of softness, making it ideal for creating a base layer of shading. Once I have applied the initial layer of pencil, I switch to a soft paintbrush. The softness of the brush allows me to blend the pencil strokes without completely erasing them, resulting in a subtle texture that mimics the individual strands of hair. These techniques help to create more realistic and dimensional appearance. I use a blending stump to shade the skin area. Here, using a blending stump right from the start will give you a really smooth, even skin tone. It's great for creating a soft, natural look. I'm also adding shadows because the light is coming from the left side, so I'm creating the hair a little brighter on the left side and adding shadows on the right side. And please don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. The most important thing is to have fun while you're learning. Enjoy the process. And as I have always said, practice is the best way to improve your drawing. I have mentioned this in my all videos and I will continue to do so because I know you all want to get better at drawing. That's why you are here with me today. And fabric is a really important part of my drawing, and it's also my favorite part. Before I use the blending stump on the shirt, I rubbed it on a separate piece of paper to remove some of the excess graphite because the texture of the shirt is really soft and light. So these techniques helps to create more soft texture, more subtle texture on the shirt. I always test out my blending stumps on a special piece of paper before applying it on my drawing. Normally we start a soft shading with a blending stump, but since the shirt is raw, we will do something different. Let's start shading with the pencil directly without blending it first. This will help us to make the jacket look rough, to make it look even more real. First, we shaded with a 2B pencil and then 4B pencil and then finally a 6B to make a shirt color more darker according to my reference image. After applying the shading, use a blending stump or a tissue, whatever you have. Just use it for blending for a smooth texture. This will help to create more realistic texture. Shading will create the depth and dimension. Let's add some shadows. Blending will help to to smooth out the lines and create a softer look. And the adding details in your drawings bring your drawings to life. Before I use a blending stump on my drawing, I always test it on a separate piece of paper, as I say. That way I can see how dark the shading will be. Since the shirt is supposed to be soft, I think we should use the blending stump first before using the pencil shading. In my reference image, the light is coming through the left side. That means that everything on the right side is in the shadow. To create this effect, I am going to make the right side more darker than the left side. This will give my drawings a more realistic look. And whenever I sit down to draw something in my sketchbook, I feel very comfortable and better because the drawing book is your own secret and beautiful place, and it's a place where you can let your imagination run wild and create amazing things. No one else get to see it unless you want them to. It's your special spot to try new things, make mistakes, and discover what you love to draw. Every picture you make is a little piece of your world, and it stays safe in your book forever. It's like planting seeds of creativity that you can look back on and enjoy for as long as you like. Whenever I started this drawing, I'm not sure that it will gonna be my favorite drawing, but it is my favorite drawing now. So thank you for your all kind of support. Thank you for your all kind of love. I mean, just watching my video. Many new videos are coming soon, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you.